if you come across a difficult ln function, okay, just remember to tell yourself that never ever do a product or a quotient within a ln function. So if you see this with a square root, simply because square root is power of half, 2x minus 1 over 1 minus 3x, power half. Bring down the half first. Then you realize that this is ln of a fraction. It becomes ln 2x minus 1 minus ln 1 minus 3x, your law of logarithm. Okay, now your dy dx is easy to get. The half remains on the outside. Differentiate ln of 2x minus 1 is 2 over 2x minus 1. Differentiate the second function is negative 3 over 1 minus 3x. And all you need to do is to make it nice. If the question didn't ask you to combine the function, you don't have to combine the algebraic fraction, and that's it. Okay, so there is no product law or quotient law within a ln. Okay, within a ln that you don't have. But if you see a question like this, differentiate of negative x ln x, yes, this is your u, this is your v. In the product rule, again, I like to use this table. Differentiate x is negative 1, differentiate ln x is 1 over x. Do the cross method, your dy dx is equals to negative x multiplied by 1 over x plus negative 1 multiplied by ln x. And this is equals to negative 1 minus ln x. And that's it. Okay? If you do a quotient rule, maybe it's a little bit more tricky. So this question might have came together with like this, ln x bracket square. And then you know the power law can bring down, then it becomes 2 ln x. This is easier to differentiate. So never differentiate when you have a power, okay, to the x function, to the fx within the ln function. This is your u, this is your v. I like to draw the table again. Differentiate of 2 ln x is 2 of 1 over x, and that is equals to 2 over x. Differentiate of cosine x is equals to negative sine x. So all this law you have to know very well. Now, the tricky part for quotient rule is when you cross, you have to cross this way first, because this is v, this is du dx. You need to do v du dx first. Okay, so my dy dx is equals to, or maybe I write the equal below, is equals to 2 over x multiplied by cosine x minus the other side, 2 ln x multiplied by negative sine x. Don't forget to over v square, cosine square x. My v is over here. Okay, do not leave your answer in this way. Always simplify your answers. So for the numerator, you will have 2 over x cosine x plus 2 sine x ln x. Notice how I combine these two functions together. Okay, over cosine square x. You cannot have a fraction as a numerator multiply by x because there's a 2 over x, but you have to multiply for both the numerator and the denominator. So hence your final answer is going to be 2 cos x, because that removes the 2 over x, plus 2x sine x ln x. Okay, because I multiply by x throughout, and then I multiply by x throughout, x cos square x. Okay, so when you multiply by x to a trigo function, when you multiply by x to a ln function, the angle, these guys do not change. You do not give us x, make it become x squared. No, it doesn't work like that. It just multiplies to the front. So the angle and the function in the ln function can never change. And this is how you do differentiation of logarithm functions.